search for the best anti-aging product is now over.
The process of aging begins with the time we are born and continues for life. Our quest to find out the right ingredient for anti-aging. We never pay attention to the process of aging till the time we see fine lines and wrinkles appearing on our face. और फिर भागते हैं मार्केट वो सारे प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए जो दावा करते हैं एंटी-एजिंग का. Finally, we sit back home disappointed without any results. I got the opportunity to work with Future Cosmetic. Future Cosmetic came out with this incredible product, Zootox. Zootox not only repairs but restores and regenerates skin cells.
I'm a person who's very conscious about my skin, my beauty, just about everything. सालों से मैं ये महंगा प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रही थी 25,000 का. Outcome? Bakwas. No result at all. And then my cosmetologist asked me to use this new product, the Zootox challenge. I accepted. And the result? Fabulous. 10 years just knocked off.
Cleopatra, the hallmark of beauty, used rare animal portions and plant extracts to maintain her youth. Cynic, awarded as one of the best ingredients worldwide for anti-aging, is now bottled as Zootox. We did hundreds of client trials and the results were amazing.
Zootox के regular use से उनकी fine lines और wrinkles काफी हद तक minimize हो गई and skin benefit continued with regular use of Zootox. Zootox है एक real science और इससे मिले real results.